My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Suzuki Vitara. This vehicle was done just under 52,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can access radio, Bluetooth, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.